Pterodactyl here, and I get this question asked a lot. What is this thing on the bottom of my carburetor, and what does it do? Well, I'm going to tell you. This thing is a fuel shut-off solenoid, or it's sometimes called an anti-backfire valve. And they come in a lot of different shapes and sizes and styles. But they all do the same thing. And what it does is, it's hooked to the key on the carburetor. So when you turn the key off, this plunger comes up, pops up, and blocks the fuel that goes through the main jet. So what that's supposed to do is, as you shut off your lawnmower and the engine's winding down, it's still creating vacuum and it's still pulling fuel out of the carburetor and dumping it into the intake manifold, which will sometimes make its way into a hot muffkin. And when it reaches that hot muffkin, it'll cause it to backfire. So what they do is, this little plunger comes up and blocks that fuel from being drawn up as that engine's winding down. You ever notice in your car, when you turn your car off, it stops like right now. It doesn't wind down like a lawnmower does. So you don't need that. So this thing is pretty expensive if it fails. Sometimes they stick where they won't open and it'll keep the engine from starting. Other times they're stuck down, which won't affect it, it'll still run. So what we do is, if the person doesn't care if the thing may backfire, because it may not backfire, is we cut the tip off. And that way you're bypassing this thing altogether. Now we get this a lot too. People will come in with these and say, I need to buy this, my lawnmower's leaking gas and it's this thing. No, this doesn't cause your lawnmower to leak gas. Your needle and seat inside your carburetor is what regulates the fuel flow. The fuel goes directly into here. If this needle valve and this seat get dirty or get bad, it'll cause this thing to stay open and that fuel will just keep running through. This is what makes your carburetor leak gas, that needle and seat valve. This has nothing to do with it. All this is a shut-off valve that just blocks off the main jet to keep fuel from going through there when you shut off the key. That's all it does. So, I hope that answers your questions. Follow me on this YouTube channel. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. We've got over 400 videos. Go to our web store. Buy some of our merchandise that we got there. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, there's your dinner. There's your dinner on fuel solenoids. Now you know what this thing is and what it does.